Hey everybody, Miss Newton here, and today we are going to measure those boxes. I passed this out in class and I went over it with you in class, but I'm going to go over it with you here as well. So you are going to go around your house and look for boxes. I'm going to do two examples with you today. I found a brownie box and a toothpaste box. Okay. So we're still dealing with volume, and remember that our formula to find volume is length times width times height. My marker is not working. Let me grab a different marker. Hold on a second. Okay. Sorry about that. My marker was not working. All right, so our length times width times height equals volume. So here's our formula. You are going to need your ruler and your boxes. You have to find at least 5. If you want, you can find up to 10. So here's my first box. I have a box of brownie mix. So I'm going to get my ruler, and on my ruler I'm going to use the inch side. So we're going to measure in inches. I'm going to measure the length across. So I'm going to try to do this. It is, let me turn it my way. It is about a 5 1/4. So remember I said we're going to round to the nearest inch. So we're going to round to 5. So our length is 5 inches. So on here for length, I'm going to put 5 inches times, now I'm going to measure my width. So my width is, it is about 1 1/2, so I'm going to go with 2 inches. So my width is 2 inches times my height. My height is, we're going to go with 7 inches. Times 7 inches. Notice when I wrote my formula, I put inches, okay? So let's work it out. 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 times 7 is 70. Whoops, that's a little sloppy. I'm trying to write sideways here. So 70. So we need to put inches here. So since we had inches 3 times, we're going to put 70 inches to the 3rd power. So you're going to write it like that. So our volume for box 1 was 70 inches, okay? So on my sheet for box 1, I would want to write 5 inches times 2 inches times 7 inches equals 70 inches cubed, okay? Just like that. Then I'm going to do my second one. Here's my toothpaste. Let me erase this. All right, so let's measure the length first. Using inches. Remember, we're going to either round up or down to the nearest inch. I'm trying to do this upside down. Oh, no wonder I have my ruler backwards. So it is not, it's a little past 8 1/2 inches, so we're going to round up to 9. So our length is going to be 9 inches. So I wrote 9 inches. Now let's check the width. So we're going to go right here on the side, check the width. And our width is 1.5, so we're going to round up to 2 inches. So 9 inches times our width, which was 2 inches. So now we just need to find the height. Okay, and let's see how tall it is. So I'm going to measure the height now. And it is about 2 inches. So here's our formula. We have 9 inches times 2 inches times 2 inches. 9 times 2 is 18, and 18 times 2 is 36. So we have 36 inches cubed to that third power. Since I have 3 inches, inches 1, inch 2, inch 3, we're going to put it with a power of 3. So my volume for my second box is 36 inches. So I would put that on my sheet for box number 2. It's over here. So you have to do at least 5. If you want, you can do 10. And then when you're done, you're going to total up all your volumes, and you're going to put it here. So you would add all of your volumes up and write that here. If you want to use a calculator to check your work, that's okay. You can use the back of the paper for scratch paper. Bring this in next time you come to class and have fun finding boxes around your house and finding the volume. See you later.